Living in freezing zones 3, 4, or 5? Stop wasting money on imported Japanese plants that die in the frost. Here are the native nursery swaps. Rapid fire, let's go! Instead of a fragile Japanese maple, ask your nursery for a native Pagoda Dogwood. It gives you the exact same gorgeous horizontal tiered branch structure. Skip the Japanese black pine. Grab a native eastern white pine. When pruned in the Milwaukee style, it creates that identical, ancient, rugged evergreen anchor. Want the transient spring beauty of a cherry blossom but hate winter dieback? Plant an American serviceberry. Massive spring blooms with zero freeze damage. Need a tall, conical evergreen background? Don't buy a Japanese cedar. An eastern hemlock gives you that same graceful, layered green wall that easily survives the snow. Weeping willows are beautiful but incredibly messy. A weeping white pine offers that dramatic, cascading focal point, but it's an evergreen that laughs at blizzards. For tightly sheared karakomi domes, skip the Japanese boxwood and azaleas. Use inkberry holly, especially dwarf cultivars. It's an evergreen that shears flawlessly. Bamboo will aggressively destroy your yard. To get that vertical screening effect, plant red osier dogwood. Plus, you get striking, architectural red stems all winter long. Hostas are great, but native coral bells, or heuchera, give you that perfect, tough, broadleaf texture to plant right next to your stone lanterns and basins. Instead of a Japanese painted fern, drop a native lady fern into your deep shade areas. It has delicate, lacy fronds that are completely cold-hardy. Forget trying to keep velvet moss alive in dry winter winds. Native Creeping Phlox forms a tight, green mat that explodes with brilliant spring color. Instead of monkey grass or liriope for your borders, plant Pennsylvania sedge. It has that soft, cascading, tufted look to perfectly soften your stone paths. Want the complete nursery cheat sheet for every single growing zone? Grab our premium native plant substitution guide at the link in the description below. Take the list to your local nursery, plant native, and start building your bulletproof Zen garden. Keep growing and happy gardening!